This video walks you through the steps involved in configuring the unit rates master data template in the property tax module. Unit rates are used in calculation property tax for unit area value system. This rate is fixed, e.g. per square foot per month, based on the expected returns of the property as per its location, land price, construction, and usage. Download the data template to configure the unit rates master's data. As we can see here, the template contains 7 data columns. Enter the boundary code, the boundary name and boundary type details. Now, enter the applicable construction type and the road type. Enter the unit rate of tax applicable for the listed property type. Update the information for each column. Columns marked with a star are mandatory. Make sure all the mandatory columns are updated in the template. To know specific requirements of the individual column, please refer to the data definition table for unit rates detail. After filling the data into the template, refer to the checklist to ensure the data accuracy and data entry requirements are met. For any query or assistance, please feel free to reach out to our team. We hope this video has helped you understand the configuration of unit rates details. Thank you.